From actionable ops, here's how Hermes stops an agent from wiping your machine, the approval gate, and how to tune it. An agent that runs shell commands can run destructive ones. So before Hermes executes anything, it checks the command against a curated list of dangerous patterns: recursive deletes, disk formats, dropping a database, overwriting system files. If it matches, the agent stops and asks you first. That's the gate. You pick how strict the gate is, with 3 modes. Smart is the default, and it uses a cheap model to triage. It auto-approves the harmless stuff, auto-denies the clearly dangerous, and only interrupts you when it's genuinely unsure. Manual prompts you on every dangerous command. And off turns the gate off entirely, the same as YOLO mode. When a prompt fires, you get 4 choices. Once, just this time. Session. Allow that pattern until you quit. Always. Allow it forever. Or deny. Deny is the default, and so is a timeout. If you walk away and don't answer, the command is blocked. It fails closed, never open. 2 lists sit underneath this. The one you grow. Choosing always writes that pattern to an allow list in your config, so it's silently approved from then on. Run Hermes config edit to review or prune it. And the one you can't shrink. A hardline block list of truly unrecoverable commands, wiping the file stem root, fork bombs, formatting a live disk. Those are refused no matter what. Even in YOLO, even on your allow list, there's no override. If you trust the session completely, YOLO mode skips every prompt. Toggle it with /YOLO, and it still respects that hardline floor. But the cleaner answer for anything unattended is isolation. Run Hermes in a container backend like Docker or Modal. Inside a sandbox, the container is the boundary. So Hermes skips command approval entirely, and a bad command can't reach your host. That's approvals and allow lists in Hermes, built by Noose Research. And for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.